Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you the dancing eyebrow effect on TikTok, which is currently trending. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. This effect basically makes your eyebrows dance up and down quickly, and if accompanied by trending music, it can make your video funny as well. So let me show you how to use it. Open your TikTok app on your phone. Now tap on Discover icon at the bottom. Search for Dancing Eyebrow. It will appear under Effects and look like this. Tap on it. Now it may not be available in all the countries, however I keep checking as TikTok is slowly rolling it out to all. Now scroll through some of the video examples on how other people have used this effect. Once you're ready, tap on Try this effect or on the red camera icon. You can use a front-facing camera or the selfie camera for this effect. Point it at someone to give a comedy effect as the other person does not know what you're trying to do. Tap on the screen changes the speed of the eyebrow dancing. You have two speeds, fast and slow. So go ahead and get creative and create your TikTok video using the dancing eyebrow effect. And there you go, that is how to use the dancing eyebrow effect on TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.